Hi guys, let's look at the next question. The next question is question number 7, part 2. It says, in each of the following given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram, which means opposite sides are equal and parallel. Perfect. And we need to calculate the value of x and y. We also know that the opposite angles are equal, so let's write that down. Angle A is equal to angle C, and number 2, angle B is equal to angle D. Reason: opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So we need to find the value of x and y. Let's see, which means what this gives me is 7y, which is angle B, is equal to 6x plus 3y minus 8. Let's see what equation does it give me. Let me take y on the other side. So this would be 0 is equal to 6x plus 3y minus 7y minus 8. Let's take 8 on this side, which would mean 6x 3y minus 7y, that's negative 4y, is equal to 8. Something common between? Yes, I can divide all elements by 2, which would mean my equation would be 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. So I've got one equation. Let's see if I can generate one more, and then that will help us solve these equations simultaneously. So this is number 4 and this is number 5. Good. So any other relationship, I know that this will be equal to this, but it's not helping me much because nothing is given here. Any other relationship? Yes, I know that angle A plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. This is sum of co-interior angles. Since these are parallel lines, CD and AB are parallel and AD is the transversal. This makes it co-interior angle. Sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Perfect. So what is angle A? Angle A is 4x plus 20. And what is angle D? Plus 6x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 180 degree. Let's see if I can add something. 4x plus 6x, that's 10x plus 3y, and 20 minus 8, that's 20 minus 8 is plus 12, is equal to 180 degree. 10x plus 3y is equal to 180 minus 12, that's 168 degree. So now let's see, this is my equation number, this is 7, 8, 9. Let's see if I can solve these two equations simultaneously. 3x minus 2y and 10x plus 3y. So if I can multiply the equation 5 with 3 and this equation with 2. So what it gives me is equation 5 changes to 9x minus 6y is equal to 3 into 4, that's 12, and this becomes 20x plus 6y is equal to 160 into 2, that's 320, 336, 1630, 336. Let's add them up. This becomes 29x is equal to 348. Therefore, x is equal to 348 upon 29. 29 1, 29 1, that's 58. So 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 degree. Perfect. That's my point number 10. So put x is equal to 12 in, let's say, equation in 5, and what we have is 3 into 12, that's 36, minus 2y is equal to 4, which means 2y is equal to 36 minus 4, that's 32, which means y is equal to 16 degree. Done. So x is 12 degree, y is equal to 16 degree. We need to find x and y. Let's write the final answer in the form of a set 12 degree and 16 degree. Done. Simple, right? Let's move on to the next question. The next question that we do is question number 9. Question number 9 says, in a parallelogram ABCD, AB is equal to 20. Oh, so diagram not given. Let me just make that diagram. So in parallelogram ABCD, okay, bisector of angle A, something like this, and bisector of angle A meets BC, okay, at point E, and BC produced at F. Okay, so let me just increase this line. This is what we are looking at, something like this. Yeah, let me just label it. This is A, B, C, and D. It says AB is equal to 20 centimeters. So this is 20 centimeter, well DC is also 20 centimeter. AD is 12 centimeter. So BC is also 12 centimeter. This side and this side are equal. Bisector of angle A, which means if this is X, this is also X. Perfect, meets DC at E. So this is point E, and BC produced at point F. This is point F. Find length of CF. Perfect. Let's see what we can get from here. Let's start writing what we know. Number 1, AB is equal to CD is equal to 20 centimeter. Number 2, AD is equal to BC is equal to 12 centimeter. This is opposite sides of the same parallelogram. These are the opposite sides of the same parallelogram. Number 3 is let angle BAE is equal to angle DAE is equal to X, since AE bisects angle A. That's given in this question. So let me see if this helps us in anything. Can I identify a pair of parallel lines? Yes, AD and BF are parallel because this is a parallelogram. Both pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. And AF is the transversal, which means this angle and this angle are equal because these are alternate angles. So this angle is also X. So let's just write that down. Number 4, angle DAF is equal to angle BFA is equal to X. Alternate angles are equal. So I've got that these two angles are equal because these are alternate angles. So now this is X, this is X. What does it make my triangle ABF? Yes, it makes it isosceles. So let's just write that down. Therefore, triangle BAF is isosceles since angle BAF is equal to angle BFA is equal to X. We got this from point number 3 and point number 4, which means therefore point number 6 would be therefore AB is equal to BF is equal to 20 centimeter, which means BF is equal to 20 centimeter is equal to 12 centimeter, which is BC, plus CF, which means CF is equal to 20 centimeter minus 12 centimeter. Therefore, CF is equal to 8 centimeter. That's what they wanted us to find. We've calculated it. Done. Let's move on. The next question, which is the last question of this exercise. The last question being question number 10. Let's see how we can solve it. It says parallelogram ABCD, AP and AQ are perpendicular. So this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, which means this is also 90 degree. From the vertex of obtuse angle A, if angle X is to angle Y, so this is X and this is Y, this 2 is to 1, find the angles. Find the angles of the parallelogram. So angles of parallelogram. So I need to find angle BACD. Perfect. So let's look at this Question how we can solve. Let's look at quadrilateral APCQ because I know a lot of angles given in this quadrilateral. I have 190, I have another 90, and I have X and Y. So let's look at this. In quadrilateral APCQ, 90 degree plus 90 degree plus X plus Y is equal to 360 degree. This is again angle sum property. Sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So that's X plus Y is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree. This is 0.1, this is 0.2, this is 0.3. So X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So we figured out the sum of X and Y at least. Any other relation given? Yes, I know that angle X and angle Y are in the ratio 2:1. So if angle Y is M, angle X is 2M. So let angle Y is equal to M. Therefore, angle X is equal to 2M. Since angle X is to angle Y is given in the ratio 2:1. So let's put these values in the equation. So this is point number 4, this is point number 5. So from 3 and 5, 3, 4 and 5, 3, 4 and 5. So instead of X, I am putting 2M, and instead of Y, I am putting M. So 2M plus M is equal to 180 degree, which means 3M is equal to 180 degree, which means M is equal to 60 degree. So let's now give numbers 6, 7, 8, which means therefore angle X is equal to 2M is equal to 120 degree and angle Y is equal to M is equal to 60 degree. So angle X is 120 degree. So now we know that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So let's just write that down. So number 10, therefore angle C is equal to angle A is equal to X is equal to 120 degree. This is opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Done. And then the last part, how would we calculate angle B and angle D, because they'll also be equal. They will be equal again because they are opposite sides of opposite angles of a parallelogram. I know that 120 degree plus this angle will form 180 degree because this is a co-interior angle. So let's just write that down. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. These are co-interior angles. Therefore, angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. Done. So they wanted us to find the angles of the quadrilateral of the parallelogram. Done. So that finishes this exercise for me. Let's look at the homework questions for you. Homework question for you would be question number 3 and question number 7 part 1 and question number 8. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe.